Welcome back in this session. So we will be creating the instance with specific VPC. So let's start. This is my script instance.tf. You can see here in your screen. So what this script is doing is creating the instance. It's mapping with the AMI ID and instance type, which passing in the variable.tf. You can see I have also passed the subnet ID which creating through the VPC. So let's first try to understand the first AMI. So I'm just opening my variable.tf. So in variable.tf I pass the region, that's US East 1, and the AMI will be mapped through the U region. So in US East 1 it will be passed through this AMI ID. In next I am passing that instance type. So instance type will be passed through the instance type variable, that's a T2 macro over here. After that you can see the AWS subnet. So subnet is creating in the vpc.tf. So let's open the vpc.tf. So vpc.tf creating the VPC. You can see here this is VPC creation block. After that it's create the internet gateway, that's a gateway for the public network. So public network, I'm creating the public network. This is the public subnet. You can see this is the AWS subnet public one. So the same we pass here for the subnet. After that we pass the security group. So let's go back to the security group. So I'm opening the security group. So this security group is creating over here. So this is security group allow SSH access, that ingress rule. This is the ingress rule. So the 22 port, and egress rule is the any port. It's a any protocol. So this is the security group is created here, and this is the all the VPC, that's a routing subnet, then routing table for the all, and the traffic pass to the internet gateway, and this is the association. So here we creating the instance with the specific VPC and specific security group. So, and we will be also passing the key name for the SSH connection that's created in the AWS console. So this the key name is also passed in the variable file. You can see here. So this is my key name. It's EC2 demo. So you can get the same scripts from my GitHub. So you can get all the scripts from the Git. You can download and you can run with your Terraform scripts. You can also modify. So you can get this all script from the GitHub. So let's run this script and let's try to see. So I'm just directly doing the Terraform apply, just saving the just for the save time, because plan will take another a minute. So given the confirmation for the Terraform apply, and now it will be create the all resource. So it started the creating the VPC. So Terraform will make its own intelligence, the resource dependency. So which resource require first. So Terraform is started from the VPC. Then it will create the internet gateway subnet and the security groups. After that it will create the instance. Okay, so our all resources are got created. So let's go to the console and see the resource state. So I'm going to the EC2. Okay, there is one EC2 is running. So this EC2 with VPC is created. You can see the all information, its running state and the VPC ID. So I'm just opening VPC just to ensure that it's created in new VPC. So this is my VPC custom VPC demo. So it's properly created with the VPC, and you can see this custom public IP, that's we given the public IP. Here you can public subnet, which we have given the public_1. So you can this the reference with the VPC. Rest we also assign the allow all SSH. So just opening the allow all SSH security group. So this security group is created, and this security group we given the 22 port access. You can see it's from the NEOP source. Outbound traffic also we given the destination of any, so outbound traffic is also allow all for the all. So let's do the SSH for this security group, for this instance with the public IP. So it will be checked by the SSH rule is working for security group, and also will be checked for the allow all traffic. So I'm just doing the SSH, that SSH EC2 user and my public IP. We will be passing the key, so I'm just passing key EC2 demo. So if the SSH is working, then our inbound rule is working properly. Okay, so SSH is working and I got the SSH connection of the instance. Now I'm just doing the ping to Google, so just checking the outbound rule also. Okay, so I'm able to ping the Google. So outbound rule is also working, inbound rule is also working. So in this whole session we have created the EC2 instance with the VPC, specific VPC, custom VPC, and with VPC we also given the public subnet and security group.